another DA na maganda. Thundercats and Wolfpack.
Alam ang target eh. Inis eh.
Ang dami ko ng kape for today. By the way, Kat, we have coffee outside. We can sell, Kat is selling coffee outside. Very nice coffee, very good brewer.
So yun eh.
Just a while. Guys, we have coffee outside, we have food outside from House of S-Boy. Grabe naman yung ano na to, grabe naman yung season na to, ang iinit ninyo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ayun, ang ganda ng moves ko. Ang ganda ng tato.
Nilalayo pa yung usapan, di naman pala nakatingin, ano?
Very demure. Very proper. Very UK. Love the tattoo. If we have a time, we will go for the battle for gods. If we have a time. Hopefully. Nagpapaliwan sila dalawa. Nagpapractice sila. Nakakalong. Can we have Pansit Canton and Turtle Warriors to officiate this game, please? Give and take lang tayo, give and take. Ayaw na mga bata. Anong tsura? We can flag it. May nawawala na po tayong susunod ng kotse. Ano pong brand? Make and model. Mercedes-Benz. Nakalagay Mercedes-Benz. Mahaba. Mercedes-Benz. Nawawala po siya. Pakibalik na lang po pag nahanap. Pag hindi, hindi na lang po kami ng bago. That's totally, okay.
Ay, bahaw na.
Ako, mukhang may bibili ng bagong Chanel. We want to take this opportunity to thank all the players who joined us for today. Taunton Thundercats, Bristol Wolfpack, Greenwood Ravens, Thornton Warriors, Pansit Canton, Team Elliott, and of course, Team Oreo Pancakes. Wala pa naman akong interest sa pagkanakaw ngayon. So. In 2 minutes, we are about to start our last game for the semis. Who will be the next team for the finals?
Mamaya, bagsak yan. Tamaan yan.
Yung sila, lumayag dito sila.
Kanina ako, hindi ko na dito, bagsak na yan eh.
Grabe yung support mo.
Team Pansip Canton and Turtle Warriors, can we officiate the game, please? Team Pansip Canton and Turtle Warriors, can we officiate the game, please? Thank you. Our officials for today, Team Pansip Canton, main referee, Wenard. Main referee, sino po? Si Cax? Guys, just a reminder as well, kalat mo, tapon mo. Here, we have here plastic bag, okay? Kalat mo, itapon mo. Love me. Kung hindi nyo itatapon, itatapon namin. Ganda naman dito. We're giving. One more minute, my friend. Ooh! One more minute. Also, we have House of S-Boy, our partner for our season. Caps Coffee as well. We have it outside. Captains coming over. Captains coming over. Tapusin na natin to. Papakabahin nyo yung mga tao. Handshake. Hand wash. Sino po mo sa serve? To serve. Wall. Back. Ganan. Sino kaya? Ang wolf or ang cats? Sino mas malakas for today's season? Let's finish! Last game for our semi-finals. We got Mr. Wolfpack and Johnson Thundercats. Go lang, best. Kumuha kasi sila ng ano, ay umili sila. Sabay-sabay. Pag-isa lang tuloy ako dito. Umili silang lahat eh. To serve, Crystal Wolfpack, Ladang Boses. Oh, sample lang daw yun. Ready? Nice. Ready. Set by one. Back by one. Out! Masyadong malakas for today's season.
Score, hindi ka makalaw. Zero na lang.
That's what I'm saying for number one. Sorry po. 2-1. Yan. Service number 8. Set by number 8. Attack. Uy! Nice! Nice decision. Service number 8. Captain for the Thundercats. Marie. Now. Buti na lang nakalipa ko hanggang next week. Yung boses ko para recover. Outside Chicago by number 16. 3-all. Another weekend na naman for semi-finals. Nice. Set by 8. Number 24. Free ball for Wolfpack. Set by A. Woy! Tinapos. Service, Mara, number 3. Set. Free ball. Nice. You are really giving number 24. You're giving me saving, you know what I mean? You're saving the ball. 17 years old, you got a lot of future ahead of you, darling. Uy! Ayan na naman siya. Free ball. Seconded by A. Ibibigay ba niya siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Set by 2, 6. Free ball for 24. Set by 1. Free ball again. Binigay. Set by 2. Uy! Score for Thundercats. Service number 1. By 4. 24, give it. Not yet. Points for Wolfpack. Service, 5-all. Service, Renan, number 21. Nice. Outside. Mabilis ang reflex ni Mara. Perfect. Di ba? Galing eh. Biglang atras eh. Number 7 to serve. Ouch. That's totally fine. That's okay. 6 on. Number 24 to serve. Wolfpack. Strong serve. Set by 1. Binigay ni 2. Six. To serve.
Alam ko ginawa ng mga bata yung mga natin. Bantay ka na ulit. Alam ko na.
Set.
Ano ang gusto daw ba? Bantay din lang.
Uy! to serve. Wolfpack.
Parang spray ang ginamit eh. Kulay ng art.
Outside from the umpire. 8 all. Outside as well. 9-8. Service number 2. In service. Nice. Free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. Race to the back. Denies. Set by 8. Nice. Free ball again for the Wolfpack. Set by 8. No. Attack by 1. Yeah! Pinalitos. Pinalitos. 10-8. Nice receive.
At din yung mata partner sa volleyball. Sa volleyball.
Oy!
Wala ko yung seats eh. Hindi na pa tayo, sa volleyball pa na yan. Parang dalawa lang yun lang. Kasi sa'yo dito sa loob eh. Alam ko, nagduduling ako, tatlong bowling nakikita ko.
Yon, nice save. Set by 8. Chris Mata. Oy! Umikot ang bola sa net. Wow. 10 all. Dikit na naman. Deja vu. Timeout! Center Max.
Tonton. Sila yung team nila dati. Kaya Randy yan. Tonton sila dati.
Let's go back to bowling. Score after the timeout, 10-11. Now in favor of Wolfpack. Wolfpack. Service, rest. Number 6. 8 pala.
Yung number 2 yan. Number 8 na yan.
Right service. Set by number 2. Attack by 1. Outside Chicago. 10-12. Set by 2. Nice pick. Nice pick. Free ball. Freedom. Nice service. Free ball. 1. Oy! Ang tulis, ang lalim. Number 1. Substitution. Number 5 in. Number 7 out. Number 2 to save the ball. Free ball. Set number 2. Ibigay lang. Outside. Nice. Calculated. Substitution from Thundercats. Number 4 ito eh. Tama ba? Yes, number 4 siya.
Yan. Yan. Ano, pinulot kayo sa out.
Do we have a call? Is it a lifting? Is it a lifting? Okay, we have a call.
Pare, balibol.
Number 24, you are given. Giving very clear attack. You know, it's so giving very high power energy voltage. Yes, lahat watts. Check to give it. Set by number 1, attack by 6. Good coverage from Wolfpack. Set 24! Not yet. 24! Block by the net. It's giving konting talon pa. You know what I mean? Oh! Yan. 60 all. Oh my God. 16 all. Outside, sabi ng anim the players and the umpire. Sabay-sabay talaga sila. Very synchronized. Very gimmick synchronicity. You know what I mean? 16-17 to serve number 24, set by 1. Attack by 0, good coverage for the Wolfpack. Set by 1, well done again, 8. Set by 8. Nice. Set by 1. Outside. 16-18 on our first set. God. Woo! Woo! Hello, bosses. Regine. Darling. That's how I do that. Ano nangyari? So, pakayan. It's giving high velocity, high altitude ball, you know what I mean? Service by number 6. Yes! Umikot ang bola. Now in favor Tonson Thundercats 1918, service number 6. Ganda ng pancake na number 24. Hindi lang nakuha. Love the position. It's given Oreo pancake. You know what I mean? Kaya. Kaya. Last time out for both of them for this set. Got 30 seconds. Time out. God, it's scary. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Back at full game, ladies and gentlemen. Number 6 to serve. Very serious. Very outside. There you go. Gosh. 21-19. 2-point lead by the Thundercats. Service. Check. Same service. Nice. Set by Wyatt. Slip from the hand. 21-20. Sorry for the eagle. Oy! Going to goal. Do we have a touch from the referee? From the referee. Yeah, from the referee. Do we have a touch? No touch from the referee. Number 2 to serve. 22-20. Free ball for Thundercats, set by number 1. Oh! Love the foot calculation. Set. Nice. Coverage there. Sabi ni Chris, ito na yung chance ko. Kanina pa ako nag-aantay. Service, number 8. Oh, very crucial service from number 8. 24, 21, set forward for the Thundercats. Yung kabilang referee na sa cellphone. Nasunood yata ng line. Service, 8. Yun! Sabi nila hindi pa daw tayo tapos. Hindi pa rin tayo tapos. Nagbago siya kayo ng posisyon. Ang pagkakakilala ko sa kanila ng bata, stepper. Then outside 5 minutes at yun. Number 4 to serve. Oh! Second goes to Thundercats. One minute to change the coin, ladies and gentlemen.
Tama ako na yung coach. Ayun. Hindi.
Ano siya service? Ayaw ko na lang mag-talk. Ano yun? That's undercuts. That's not all.
Let's go, 1 minute up.
Serious? Ikaw na talaga sa wisigaw.
Happy birthday.
Isa pa gusto mo? What more?
Number 1.
Wow! Love the service. Love the service. Emo.
Sige. Sige ha.
Number 4.
Grabe.
Free ball against the Thundercats. Set by 1. Binigay lang yung number 2. Chris. Alert! The ball is outside. Very nice. Nice. 1-0. Isn't it? Isn't it Pansit? Go number 8. Nice. Set. Free ball lang. Free ball. Set by 8. Renan. Ibigay number 6 and number 4. Ibigay lang. Set by 8. Set by 6. Good coverage from the Lorena. Number 3. Number 1. Number 4. Nahuli. Binigay. Yun. Long rally at the moment. Set by 8. Yeah! Grabe, no? Yung parang tahimik lang. Biglang ulit.
Kargada ko, pre. Talagang yung kargada ka dyan.
Lock! Lock! Na-lock ang ganda doon. Ang ganda pang picture doon. Love it. Perfect. Akari! Gusto ko yan. Parang Rexona. Alam mo yun? Service number 6. Very serious. Set by 24. Binigay lang ni Renan. Mara. Binigay lang yung number 4. 8 to set. Ayan na naman si Renan. Oh! Nagbago talaga siya ng position. Nagbago siya ng position. Hindi lang sa inside, but ayaw mo naman sa filta. Number 4 again. 6. Oh! Miss Hum Communication, ladies and gentlemen.
Kalaban na. Hindi, kalaban nila yung...
Wait lang yan. Sige lang tayo.
Ano turkey ba yun? Sabi natin ba kalaban, kung mas trip nila sa inyo sa hindi. Nanalo sila kanina. Ganito yung nakasapatos na yun. Kasi yung nagkakita. Ako nag-ampire na. Yero ko rin.
The ball's alive. Outside. Score 6-4.
Pagkalas ko nila, no? Kasi palit ko eh. Ang bigayan namin.
Kasi ako dito. Alright, 6-5. Bristol Wolfpack. I'm so sorry. Bristol na nga lang, nagkakamali pa yung F sa B. Bristol. Second 5. One to hit. Nice coverage from the Wolfpack. Set by number 8. Hindi pala si Net, bibigay na. 2 to set. One! There you go! 7-6. Inside. 7-0. Set number 2. Nice. Set number 2, 6 to attack. Saved by 24. Saved by 5. Set by number 8. Attack by 24. Perfect by number 1. Take by number 8. Set by 2. Attack by 1. Ginulang! Fakayan for the service.
Ang sabi na pa kayo yung lapag yung bola.
Nice jump serve. Set by 2. Good coverage. Bawal daw siya tumalon kasi nasa likod siya eh. Nice coverage from Wolfpack. Set by number 2. 3. Set by 8. Ibigay lang ito. 8-on. Set by number 8. Nice. Saved by Mara. Set by 8. Oy! Sayang. Hindi nga naman kasi mag-focus yung talaga. We have substitution. Number 7 to number 5. 8. Mara to serve. Number 3. Set. Nice jump, Jen. Do we have a call from the referee before we announce who gets the point? Oh. Nice coverage as well from Thundercats. Oh! Is that good? Do we have a call? We don't have a call. Then kami na rin yun.
Good yun, basta ito naman sa amin, basta good yun eh.
May nag-call ba?
Basta kung nag-data knockdowns yung ano,
It's good. From both teams.
hindi naman yun eh. At sa ano, ginanin mo ba?
No points. No points. No points for that.
Ito nyo na ito yung hindi ko wala pang no, points good eh. Ito sa sila, pagka hindi ko wala pang
Bro.
parang yung isa na.
One. Nice coverage. Oh! 8-11.
Laging yung isa pa. Nagalalagyan ng interview daw na sila. Ay!
We'll announce later. Set by Renai. Oi! Outside. 8-13.
Papasok ko lang sa kabila. Yung mga server.
Nice. Set by 8. 24. Saved by 7. Free ball. Number 8. Set by 2. Oh! 8-14. Timeout. Go back. Just a reminder again, as we proceed to our semis, referee will be the final judge, alright? Captain for the team should only be the one to approach the referee. Captain of the team should only be the one to approach the referee. Let's follow the proper volleyball rules.
Kaya yung mga balikat ng ba, hindi mo miss by kapag layo dito yung smite.
Ready? Go back.
Matapos pasok yung bola.
Service, Mara, number 3, Thundercats.
Goal! Oh!
Ay! 8-15. 8-15. Mara again to serve.
Sige na, busin mo na! Hindi ko pala yung ikot mo. Hindi, kasi siya lang naman mag-serve eh.
Uy! 1. Inside! 8-16. Set by 2, go. Set by Renan, go 8. Almost. 9-16. 9-16. Service. Shane. Outside. 9-17. service error from the Thundercats. Service now, Wolfpack.
Pagpuntos na yun, pag pinapasok, kumbaga, ano kailangan namin
Drop. 24 to set. Free ball. Ten.
Oo, wala. Tapos na. Ito pala.
Throw.
Sa talagang ginagawa mo.
Pero nakakatawa naman si Chris. Sabi niya, oh my God! Scary ever! Wait! Nice save there. Set by 8. 29. Nice. Oh! 12-19. Hahabol ba ni Wolfpack for this set? Chris to serve. Number 16 to serve. Oh! 12-20.
Lahat nakakuha sila ng pagdali ko. Wala lang sila nagpunta.
Service. Number 2. Outside. 30-20. Crucial service for Bristol for the rest of the game. Ready to serve. Nice. 40-20. Oh, 21-14.
Ang service mo. Ang service. Pamigurado.
Oh, 24, you're giving.
Ito.
Face. Face. 24, service.
Thank you. Utang muna, Pide.
Nice coverage for 24.
Oh, sopa.
Oh!
Sa laro. Hindi ka sa ito. Okay. Parang ganito talaga yung ginagawa.
Lifting.
Traveling. Ay, pinalabas mo yun.
Ay, wait, guys. Lifting na ba? Dito. Lifting dito. Sorry. The other way, guys. The other way. Nakita ko dito, lifting. Pero tinawag nyo dito. Tinawag nyo ba? Sa kanyang score.
May rambol-rambol. Ayan, kung nagbabang tayo.
Non-touch assessment technique. Amy, 22.
Tapos yung mga bata. Tapos yung mga bata, kaunti lang yan. Hindi na maharap tayo.
Out there. 23-18.
Nakapagdala sa sunod na prento. Yung dito na ulit. Ay, pilit mo ako kumain.
Oh no.
Diabetic ako ngayon eh. Bago na tayo nag-check. Yan, ang mga patay sa lang, service nila din sa kapila. Pag yun, hindi pumasok yun, klasa na pala. Wapa, oh. Oh. Ang spot. Pero one pa ba? Ang spotter. Naku, matangkat kayo dito.
Time out! Tiger Cats!
Dahil naka-steady lang. Hindi gumagalaw-galaw. Yung mata, parang sa kanya yung mata eh. Kasama, partner kasama sa pamilya. Yes sir, pagpatayan. Oo. Service lang yan, service lang yan. Pasok lang.
Free ball.
Kasi,
Last point for Tiger Cats. Proceeds to finals. Guys, we have 5 minutes straight. 5. Congratulations still. What a good game for the Wolf Pack. 5. 30. We are strictly starting. Kaya na tayo yan. Official referee for the finals, Jennifer Araneta from the Warriors.
Scoring mo. Ano yun? Nasa tao yun. Ano sino naman? Ano, nag-prepare mo siya.
Final game, we have Hansin Cadon with the celebrating feature and Thornton Thundercats.